I'm Dakota, here at Kia St. Catharines. I'm a master technician here. I've been here for 8 years now. I'm just going to go pretty much over a basic oil change with you and what we do here at the dealership. So generally, as soon as we pull your car in, we always check your wipers, your headlights, your brake lights, turn signals, and we obviously reset your oil change reminder if applicable on your vehicle. Once that's all set and done, we are going to set the hoist arms up, and then we're going to proceed to open the hood. We always check your washer fluid, your coolant levels, top up if necessary. We always check your cabin filter, air filters while it's on the ground. And then when we proceed to lift your vehicle up, we obviously drain your oil. We check all your tire pressures, make sure they're at the specification that they're supposed to be at. And then we'll drop your oil filter. It's very beneficial for a OEM oil filter because they do have a higher spring rate than aftermarket filters, and that prevents oil starvation from the top of your engine. So as that's obviously draining, we are going to check all your suspension components, stabilizer links, ball joints, tie rods. We're going to check the wear pattern on your tires. We're going to inspect your exhaust system, your rear shocks, your front shocks. If anything is found on your vehicle, we obviously note that on our paperwork, and then advise the service advisors to see if any additional work is wanting to be performed. Then we're going to go ahead and lower your vehicle. Once your vehicle's lowered, we're going to check your oil cap for which type of oil you take. Not all cars are the same oil. In this case, the vehicle that I did, it was 5W20, which is straight over our bulk tank right there. Pop it up to specification, and then once we're done that, we're going to put a fresh oil change sticker in your car, and then we're going to back it out, and we're going to fill out the paperwork and hand it off to the advisor. So that's pretty much what we do here on an oil change. I know it's a little bit of information to soak in. We do work on any make and model, not only Kias. We are here for you, even if you drive a Chevy, a Ford, doesn't matter. You name it, we fix it. We're always here for you.